Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's from pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, I grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call it short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them gain their profits while I'm still in my same big profit. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? And make profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? And make profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? And make profit. That TTG money gang. And making profit. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everyone? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader at True Trading Group. For those that didn't know, we are a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. We are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We have day trading, swing trading, and also cover long-term investing. Literally something for everybody at True Trading Group. You see, we take that university level of curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. These tools include Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data, insider trading information, a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money but real-time data, TradingView's premium charting software, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data. It's all included. The trade idea scanner, and honestly, so much more that I'll get into later. Of course, you get our courses, and of course, you get our trade alerts when you join. But you also get all of these tools to give you guys more information, help you make better decisions, and increase your chances of success. We're going to set you up with everything that we think that you need in order to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to thousands of the True Trading Group members, over 10,000 people from 115 different countries, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you are ever going to find, not to mention the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions as a group of just around 80%, now going on roughly the last 4 years. There are 9 professional traders inside of True Trading Group with you each and every single day. Why should you listen to anything that I'm saying here on this live stream? It's because I did not figure this stuff out on my own, watching YouTube videos and sitting in Discord chats. Okay. I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my very first job right out of college, where they made me go through an educational training program before I was ever able to touch a dollar of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, along with my team of, like I said, 9 professional trading mods and over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live on this channel where myself and other TeachD pro trading mods and special guests will drop golden nuggets and give you free lessons of education that can help you guys become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. We've got some breaking news here, guys. Hold on a second. We've got a news brief coming in here from my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. We've got a breaking news alert here from Adam.
Hey, Mike, it's Adam. I'm here at the TTG news desk, and I just heard from my sources, which include Trust Me Bro, Twitter, and Honey Boo Boo.
Oh, Honey Boo, okay.
That that's what it is. Yep, the world is ending.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, the stock market crash is now in full effect. The rapture is actually happening as we speak. You should all turn off this YouTube channel, go about your lives, hug your loved ones. Christmas is canceled. It's not even a Santa Claus rally anymore. It's just canceled, right? Santa Claus was like, no more tendies. F it. I'm done. Everyone gets coal.
No more tendies.
Everyone gets coal. It's done. Mike, do me a favor. Pull up a chart of the SPY, would you?
It's actually up.
No. Shh. Just pull up a chart of the SPY real quick.
This is the chart. This is the SPY.
No. That clearly can't be the chart of the SPY because it doesn't. Yep, there. Thank you. Thank you. As you can see, this is worse than 2008, 9/11, and the Holocaust combined. It's all bad. It's all bad. Nobody is safe. Mike, what do they do?
Duck for cover.
Oh my God.
Duck for cover. I would canned goods, have a plan, have a meeting place for your family, come up with a safe word.
Bananas.
It's a good one.
Yeah. I thought we were doing so well. I mean, where do we, what happens now?
Yeah, you listen, the market's had, like we had this pullback today in the markets.
No, Mike, make it look like it did a minute ago.
Okay.
Oh my God. So what Mike isn't telling you is that when those two red candles touch, if you ever saw Ghostbusters, the first one where they cross the streams and then it ends the world, that's what happens when those, right?
Yes. That actually, they call that the end of world cross.
I know. It's not even a death cross. It's just a
right.
Yeah,
it's worse.
Right.
It's worse. It's worse than a death cross.
Oh my God.
End of world cross. There's levels to this.
This is crazy.
So,
guys, go ahead and type your safe word in the chat right now. I just want to make sure that everyone's
I can't wait to see this.
Everyone, please type your safe word in the chat. Go ahead, type it in the chat.
I can't wait to see people's safe words.
Firefighter Greg's safe word is docking. That's a good one. Beats for Don 4.
Highlighter.
Highlighter is a good one. Pumpernickel.
That's
pineapples.
Brussels sprouts.
Lena's is skirt. Joey is Wendy Tendy. Aruba for Avi May. Avi, I honestly love the fact that you're participating in this. Dave P is brisket.
That's a good one.
I like brisket. I feel like it's underutilized except on Passover.
I leaned with a good one coming in strong. Pickles.
Yep. Pickles.
Armadillo.
Duck, duck, goose.
Armadillo.
Yeet skirt.
Cinnamon. Look at J-Trade. J-Trade is like, stop.
Right. That's his safe word. That's good. Somebody
Twizzlers,
said Adam should.
Cherry. I like your style. Twizzlers.
We got to welcome everyone from the Stockmaster app. This is truly the end of days.
This is the end of days. This is the reckoning.
Hakuna Matatas.
And we're talking about safe words.
Oh, we have to know how to be safe.
Yeah, without it.
I mean, without a safe word, you're not going to be safe, right?
You'll be in danger without it, yeah.
100%.
You'll be in danger, for sure.
Flapjacks.
Oh, Jay, no. Oh, Jay. That's the worst one.
What did he say?
I'm not even going to say it because then everyone's going to go Google it. You do not want to see
what?
it. No, nope. I'm not saying it.
Oh, no, that's not a safe word. That's a whole lot of danger.
Yeah, Adam, don't repeat it. Seriously.
I don't want to repeat it because I don't want to think about it ever again.
Right. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, we know, Joe. We got it. It's no good, man.
Yeah, no. So,
Mike, why don't you actually give people a little bit of a reality check for today?
Yes.
All right.
Well,
thank you.
All joking aside, guys, I know we're having some fun there. But I promise you, for those of you that are just tuning in, I do provide you with absolutely stellar analysis on this live stream. It's not just all jokes. But today you had a very rapid pullback in the market that really seemingly came out of nowhere in the afternoon. It started right around 2:30 when things really started to accelerate to the downside. And it just really kind of caught a lot of people off guard today. And you guys can see that this is a big move to the downside that you had. And you can see, I mean, prior to that sell-off, we were just kind of humming along. Like it was just kind of a slow little, nothing really cooking. And then all of a sudden it just was like, whoa, where did this come from? There wasn't really a significant piece of news. It was a nice high volume sell off. You broke through lows. You started pushing back down, and everybody started to kind of panic a little bit. And people are like, oh my God, what's going on? What's happening? And I start getting messages like, is that it? Like, is the rally over? Like, should I sell? Like, what do I do? Like, I'm still long stuff. Like, is it time to get out of the long-term portfolio? Like, and people immediately started panicking. And I'll tell you, just for people that were following along, I was in a position on NVIDIA from days ago that I was in 30% of my original position. We had took profit off 3 times into all-time highs, looking for a new all-time high from there. But on this pullback, I got rid of the rest of that position. So if there's anyone that was, I'm going to just give you an update on all my open positions. So I just wanted to update and clarify that 30% piece that I was still sitting in came out today during this pullback. I'll still watch it I still think you're going to make new all-time highs, but it just might take a little bit longer. And if you're in someone that was in call options, you have to worry about time decay. You have to worry about when those trades are actually going to take place. So if you're in a call option, you exit the position, give it the time that it needs to set up, you get back into the trade, whether it be tomorrow or next week or whatever it may be. I'll let you guys know, obviously, when I get back into that position. But that was, I just want to give you guys that quick update. But you got this pullback, right? You got this pullback in the markets, and it started to scare people. But I want to put something into perspective for you guys. I say all the time that bears take the window, bulls take the stairs. The actual saying is that bears take the stairs. The actual saying is bulls take the stairs, bears take the escalator or the elevator. Meaning, and what that means is that it takes longer to go up than it does to go down. When markets go down, they go down faster than they go up. I went further to say that bulls take the stairs and bears take the window, because, in 2020 and in 2022, the moves to the downside were so severe. But it's very important to put things into perspective. And there wasn't news that caused this drop. It was just, in my opinion, you had the high of the day get put in place. Okay. You had the high of the day get put in place when the 20-year bond auction came out. And then I just think that put in the high of the day. And then I just think you had profit taking kick in. That's all that I think this was. I just think that it is just a little bit of a profit taking pullback. And to put things into perspective for you on where we actually are, look at what this market has done in the last month and a half, right? It has gone straight up with really two days of actual real pullbacks. Today's your third real pullback in about 7 weeks of upside. So you're not even getting back to previous resistance levels. Your previous resistance level here is 460. That is your next major level of support now on the market. If you were to get a deeper pullback going into the next couple of days, that's going to be the support level that you guys are going to be looking for. Okay. That's what you're going to be looking for. But then never mind just the last month and a half. Look at where we are for the year. Guys, look at where we started the year. We started the year down here at $380. Right? And now look where we sit. 468. And I've talked to you guys on this live stream for the last couple of days. And I told you that I think that we are going to trade inside of this range over the course of this week. And yes, was today an outsized move? Yes, it was. Today was an outsized move. It was a much bigger, much more volatile day than what we have seen recently. But you're still inside of this range. It is not a massive breakdown. It is not a massive crash. It is a pretty normal pullback after what has been a massive rally to the upside. So I want to just put things into perspective a little bit when all of a sudden you have really the first true red day that we've had in over a month. And then all of a sudden you start to get people that start to panic and people start to get worried and people start to get nervous when literally yesterday, those same people are asking me, Mike, should I just put my money back into the stock market now? Are we going to make new all-time highs? One pullback day is all it takes. Not even a day. It took 1 hour of stocks going down to all of a sudden change that psychological mindset of, oh no, is this it? Is it over? Is the world coming to an end? Our title is us being facetious. Our title is sarcasm. Okay. The title of this video is kind of poking fun at the doomsdayers. It is not meant to actually tell you that I am anticipating some massive stock market crash. I'm not anticipating a massive stock market crash right now. I've actually told you exactly what I think the markets do for the course of the next 2.5 months, 3 months. I've given you my outlook for that on this live stream many, many times over the last week as we get into the end of the year. And obviously I'll be issuing my 2024 stock market outlook report for all of our members. And everybody's very excited for that because obviously we had a huge year this year with the stock market outlook report. We had a huge year back in 2022 with the outlook report as well. It really has been a phenomenal last couple of years for us, up triple digits on many of the positions that we added in the long-term portfolio over the last couple of years. And this is why, like, when we were selling off before, we had people in True Trading Group that making insane, life-changing money. You know, I mean, you literally had some members inside True Trading Group today that were trading, 0 or 1 DTE, put options with Gio, who's our scalper inside of True Trading Group, who's been trading professionally for like 25 years. He's a former market maker. And I told you there's 9 professional traders in True Trading Group. He's the scalper. None of the other moderators are scalpers, meaning we're not in and out of trades within seconds. He's in and out of trades within seconds or minutes. If he's in a position for 2 minutes, that's a long time for him. Okay. Cancel Netflix subscription, return the presents. It's over. Return the iPhone 15 Pro Max titanium back to the phone store. It's over. Sanitizer. Oh, it's too funny. But you actually had some members today that made 1,000%, 1,200% on put options today on the SPY from grabbing SPY puts there around 2:30. And then they just took off. I mean, it wasn't even like a matter of any bounce. I mean, you just dropped 4 or 5 points just straight down there out of nowhere. And it really caught a lot of people by surprise. Not a lot of people were ready for that, which is why the move was so quick. When people are not ready for a market move, once order flow comes into the market and you're not prepared for it, not you, meaning like you as an individual trader, I'm talking about the market as a whole, then you get that cascade effect because the market becomes very one-sided. It's like a shock. It's like, oh, wait, what? What's happening? And people aren't ready for it. Order flow is not ready for it. So then all of a sudden you get this like kind of lag of order flow that comes into the market. And then you get these bigger outsized moves that nobody was anticipating. There wasn't anything on the charts that would have told you that you're going to get this 9-point drop to the downside from highs down to lows. There wasn't something that was like, oh, this is the perfect technical setup for this move. It just kind of caught people by surprise. It was profit taking. It was just a lack of demand in this market, stretched to the upside, new all-time high on the Qs, new all-time high on the Dow, a stone throw from all-time high on the S&P. And it was just finally that buying pressure ran out of steam. And you got this profit take pullback that then kicked in, and you got this kind of a little bit of a vacuum drop. But all you have done, guys, is really just come back in to where the market was literally just the other day. I mean, we're just where we were on Friday, right? So here you guys can see this is Friday, right? That's Friday. That's all. That's it. We just took back Monday and Tuesday, and now we're back to where we were on Friday. So we actually found support right at Friday's low. Friday's low is 467.5, and the low of the day today is 467.5, right? So that's really all that you have done. It's not like you wiped out a massive level. Now, I will tell you the area that you need to be paying attention to if it gets wiped out is 460. 460 is a much bigger support level that if that gets wiped out, then you're looking at more downside. And I think that level does get wiped out next year, going into the second half of January and going into February. My target on a pullback actually to start off the year is in the mid 440s and looking for a gap fill from the CPI print. That gap up from the CPI print That gap is not filled. It's open. I think it needs to be filled. I think it will be filled. And I think that fill comes in probably towards the middle to the end of the first quarter next year. So that's what I'm thinking there. But I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if this market just was to bounce back and just give you a nice small little green day tomorrow and be back at 470. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised. You're holding this trade line, the 9 exponential moving average, which is this teal blue, light blue line, that baby blue line you guys see on the screen, that's been support ever since that November bottom, or when the market's bottomed in October and the uptrend really started. You've been holding support at this 9 EMA. You dropped into it today to test it. You got Friday's low sitting there as well as a potential support level. If that holds, then you are just right back inside of this consolidation. A break underneath that level, we'll have to see where the market opens up tomorrow. Right now, we are holding above it, but we'll have to see where the market's open tomorrow, how the futures trade overnight. But we'll have to be watching. If that level does break, then you could see a little bit more of a drift. And when I say a little bit more of a drift, meaning like you can drop a little bit further down into like the low to mid 460s and get a little bit more of a profit-taking pullback. And if you were to then draw out Fibonacci retracement levels on this, the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, do you see where it lines up? It's exactly 460. So if you draw the bottom of October, which is the low that marked the bottom of the bond market, which is a very important mark, okay, and you draw your Fibonacci retracement levels to the current high of this move, and you measure where support could be, your 23.6 Fibonacci level lines up at 460, and 460 is such a huge level because you can see here that it used to be resistance back there in July, and then it was resistance right here in November and December to create the double top. You broke through it, and then you got the follow-through move and continuation. Right? Now a pullback should take you back into 460. Does that mean that the world is ending if you get a pullback into 460? No, it just means that the market is pulling back to retest a massive support level. It used to be a massive resistance level, but what do we know about levels? When these levels break, you look for them to now become support. Vice versa, when support breaks, you look for it to become resistance. That level is where I believe you're going to find a nice little area of support. So if you do get a pullback over the next couple of days, right into 460, get long at 460 for short-term swing trades going into the end of the year, and look for that Santa Claus route to take you into January. I'd like to see who's on this live stream right now, guys, that are not members of True Trading Group. We have a lot of people that actually just logged on to the live stream. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, can you guys just do me a favor and type the letters TTG inside of chat right now? If you guys are not members of this community, you're not part of True Trading Group, just go ahead and type TTG right now. We just had a bunch of new people that just jumped onto the stream. So just go ahead and type TTG if you guys are not part of the community. When I see how many people we have on here that are new. Jason, Teutonius, Jeffrey, Sean, Chrissy, Vishal, Twizzle. Nice, guys. Yeah, just go ahead and type TTG for those of you that are not yet part of the community. See who we have in here that's not a member. Phyllis, Kevin, Christopher. Bruce, I like that. My boy Bruce says, join, guys. Realize your potential. James G. Diddy, I feel like you used to be a member. Your username just looks so familiar. I feel like maybe you used to be a member. I don't know. Jeffrey Mead says, I've been thinking of joining, not sure why I'm holding back. Jeffrey Mead and anyone else that's typing TTG right now that's not a member, let me actually show you why I think that you should join. I'll show you why I think that you should. It's not because of anything that I'm going to say. It's actually what members themselves are going to say. Members of True Trading Group. Members now I'm talking to. I just talked to non-members. Now I'm talking to members specifically. I have a very straightforward question for you. Are you making money and becoming better traders with True Trading Group? The answer is yes. Type the number 1 in chat right now. If the answer is yes, type the number 1 inside chat right now. Now, Jeffrey and anybody else that's not part of the community, Again, there's 10,000 members from 115 different countries, led by 9 professional full-time traders. Pay attention to how many people you see typing the number 1 inside of chat. There is absolutely no difference between these people and you. That is so insane, old-timey. So you were one of the people that got into the 0 DTE SPY put option. Yeah, because they were over 1,000% gain. Some members caught that were, scalping with Geo, and Geo gets into 0 DTEs. But if you held it, I mean, you're talking thousands of percent. So congratulate. That's absolutely ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous. Nice, CR. I like it, brother. I'm looking forward to it, man. That's excellent. So yeah, guys, listen, for those of you that are not members, these people that you see, these people aren't any different from you. 82% of our members have full-time jobs, work over 40 hours a week. The rest of them are full-time traders or are retired. How many members do we have in here that have made the transition to be a full-time trader? Type the number 2. If you guys are full-time traders, you guys have made the transition to full-time, just go ahead and type the number 2, please, inside of chat. I just want to show you guys, I want to show you what's actually possible. Now, obviously, this is going to be a lot less people than you see typing number 1, people that are making money, but I want to show you because a lot of people join True Trading Group or you're interested in the stock market for specific reason, right? You want to make money. That's why you do it. You join because you want to make money. You don't join so you can watch other people make money. You don't join because you're just lonely. You join so that you can make money. And a lot of people have the ambition to one day be able to do it full time, but I've heard everybody tell them that it's not possible. Listen, is it easy to become a full-time trader? No, it's not easy. But is it easy to become financially free and financially independent and have to rely on nobody else other than yourself to earn a living for you and your family and never have to worry about, oh, you know what, that's a little bit too much at the grocery store and be like, let's put these couple items back, or say, I would really love to go on that vacation, but we really can't afford it this year. Not have to worry about that kind of stuff. Do you think it's easy to get to that point? No, of course not. But the destination is well worth that journey. And you can see members of True Trading Group that are telling you that they've actually accomplished that. It is possible, but it's first day in chat. Yo, Big Mike, yes, you just joined last night. Excellent. Yes. First day in chat. I made $60. I'm the only buy alert that I saw from Shy on UPS puts. Never saw you didn't see the alert for the SPY puts. So Big Mike, so you're brand new. So today was your first day in chat. You'll get more familiar with the way chat works. Geo, when he trades the SPY, Geo is a scalper. So Geo will talk to you about his entries. He doesn't send out the alert, because when you send out the alert inside of our platform, it goes to the mobile app. So all of our members that have full-time jobs that can't be in front of their computer during the day, they have the mobile app. The mobile app gives them a push notification whenever one of our moderators gets in or out of a position. So that way they can follow along with it, even though they're not in front of their computer. Geo's a scalper. So he'll get in, he'll be out in 2 minutes. You can't get a notification on your phone and be like, oh, I'm in a meeting, or let me hang up this phone call, and then 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, log in and try to place that trade. The trade happens too quickly. So that's why his trades are only talked about on the microphone live for people that are actually there, able to be in front of their computer to scalp. All of the other moderators, the rest of us, our day trades last several hours. Our swing trades last several days. So those are trade alerts that you can get on your phone. You can log in right then at that moment, 5-10 minutes later, log in, enter your position, set a stop loss, put your phone down, go back about your day, get a notification 3 hours later. Oh, we took profit, log back in, take profit, adjust your stop loss, go back about your day, get a notification the next day, so on and so forth, right? So Big Mike, your first day in chat. I'm happy that you're able to make some money today. Your first day as a member. Congrats. But first of many, brother. You're going to get a hell of a lot more. Trust me. All right. So it all sounds good, and I read what you offer, but there is no way you give all that. Your platform is probably a cheap knockoff. Adam, you want to come on and talk to Mitch?
Hey, Mitch. How are you, buddy? What I would like to do real quick, Mitch, you've just unlocked my most favorite activity, which is, just Putting it out there.
What?
You know?
F around and find out.
Yeah, F around and find out, right? So Mitch, please don't go anywhere. All right, please don't go anywhere. Because what I'm gonna do right this second, just real quick, is I am gonna briefly show you our platform so that you know that it's actually not a cheap. I don't know what you mean by a cheap knockoff of what. Right? I feel like we didn't follow that through, but it's okay. All right, guys. So this is the True Trading Group platform. Joke. Nah, you could leave his comment up. Leave it up. This is the True Trading Group platform, right? We have dark mode and light mode. Look at that. There's light. I'll turn it off though because my eyes are a little sensitive. I
think we lost Adam. This is new. This is new, guys. I think we lost Adam. So usually I'm the one that loses the internet connection. But it looks like it is Adam. Let me see. Hold on a second. Let me see. Where's Joe? Joe, are you here? Joe, are you here? Joe's here. Adam's not. All right. Well, Adam and Joe were in the same office. Oh, so they lost internet in the office. Okay, so they lost internet. Adam is logging back in right now, guys, and he'll go back through and show you everything. Joe just tethered. Oh, Joe tethered. Joe, so is the internet off completely? Or did it kick back on? Oh, my goodness. All right, so Joe is running this entire stream on his phone. That's probably not going to go very well. Jay goes, justifies the troll comments. Mitch is like, got him. Mitch is like, got him. No, I'll show you the platform, though, I guess, while we wait for Adam. I don't know what he's doing. But Joe, do you have the platform that we can show people or no? All right, Joe's got it. So here's what I'll do. I'll actually go through, guys, and I can show you some stuff. Those of you that were typing TTG before that are not members of True Trading Group, while I show you everything that is included, I want you to just pull up this page, ttgoffer.com. Again, that is ttgoffer.com. When you get to that page, every single thing you see on that page is included when you join our annual membership. Now, when you hit that page, the annual membership is going to say, okay, Adam's back.
Well, that's frustrating.
This time it's you, not me.
Yeah.
That's okay. My time's coming. Don't worry. Give it a couple minutes.
Yep. All right. Well, anyways, what'd I miss?
Nothing. You missed Mitch basically saying, got him.
Did he really?
Justified the troll comments. No. I'm only kidding. But
all right. Well, anyways, real quick. Joe, take that off the screen for a second. Thanks. This is our platform. All right. This is our dashboard. There's 3 different chat rooms: main chat, STR, lifetime chat room. It's not a Discord. It is a real chat room. You get the watch list published every single day by all of our different trade mods, different ideas for different styles of trading. You have real-time trading data, top gainers, top losers, economic calendar, a giant calendar of events. This is just your dashboard, okay? You also have all of our courses. So like on the side here where it says courses, each one of these labels opens up a brand new course with several different courses and lessons within them. So this is our foundation course for whether you've ever traded a day in your life or not. Then we have different advanced courses. And again, everything, if I open this, everything is in text and video format. So you have all sorts of stuff. So you have lessons, quizzes, everything, right? Total options course. I mean, you have everything in video and text, okay? Then you have our full trading simulator from ETNA. This is the same simulator that's used at different universities throughout the United States. This right here is real-time options chain data. Good luck finding a simulator that offers real-time complex options trades. This is the only one that I've ever found. So yeah, good luck with that. You get it here, all the real-time data, real-time options chain. You get real-time level 2, full book level 2, and everything's super slow to load because I'm doing it. I'm doing it from my phone. We reached the end of the stream, Joe? Okay. And then we also have options flow and dark pool data. Oh, it's already loaded here. So we have, if you trade options, we have unusual options data, options flow, short data, summary by sector. All of this is included in what you pay. We also give you TradingView Pro with it. So you have TradingView, you have all of your custom studies, you have multi-chart layouts. And something really cool is Mike always talks about our AI tools. Well, here, let's try one out real quick. So I'm going to adjust the chart the way that I want to. I'm going to turn on pre and post market data, or actually, let me go ahead and turn that off. And then I'm going to click this blue button right here. I can put in my own prompt, or I'm just going to click send. Let me refresh real quick. And now what it's going to do, it's going to take a snapshot of this chart that is trading in real time, and it is going to go ahead and give me a trading plan complete with support and resistance with just the click of a button. All right. You get all of this included with your membership. Just give it a second to load. Again, I'm using my phone's internet because the internet went out in the office. So I bet you he did say got him.
He might have.
That's all right. There we go. So it gives you an entire trading plan for everything, and you can adjust. It's all based on a real-time snapshot. So you adjust the chart the way you want. You put whatever indicators you want. You go from there. You get access to the Benzinga Pro real-time news feed and Squawk right here. You get access to insider trades, government trades. You get to make your own real-time scanners. We even have AI tools that you can use using what is referred to as Vision, where you upload pictures of a chart and then it'll annotate that chart for you automatically, all one click. You know, there is a tremendous amount of stuff. And of course, transparency is huge with your trading group. So as you can see here, this is from July 16th, 2020 to the present. We have a collective win rate of 83.03%. You can see everybody's win rate. Now, this would kind of not be enough because at this point, it's just like, oh, well, anyone can make this spreadsheet. It's just like a trust me, bro.
Yeah.
But it isn't. So you go down here. Once you're a member, you click on Mike, for example, and we give it a second to load. And what you will see here is that you will see every single one of Mike's executions, all the winning trades, all the losing trades, all the break evens, literally everything. And my computer's frozen.
That's right. Well, it's with everybody, every single mod, guys, every execution, every entry, every exit, it is all right there. Detailed. That information gets loaded up from the brokerage accounts.
Right. All the winners, all the losers, all the losers, all the break evens, everything from their brokerage accounts every single day. For every single trader that calls out a trade within chat. All right. So, yeah, and that doesn't even include things like market resources. You guys get access to like Red to Green workshops and video libraries and like webinars and study groups and all sorts of stuff, right? You get access to our forums. I mean, the idea behind this is not for you to learn how to trade everything, right? It wasn't built for you to learn how to trade everything. It was built for you to come in here, find what it is that you can trade within your, within your life, and then take that, run with it, and have all the tools at your fingertips without getting nickel and dime to death. That's the point. All right. So no, we're as real as it gets. There is no cheap knockoff here.
We're not going to be a nominated finalist for the Benzinga FinTech Awards Best Data Analysis Tool if we were a cheap knockoff. Benzinga has their own educational platform and tools, yet they still fully endorse the platform that is True Trading Group because of the massive added value that it provides for their members and for their community.
Not only that, I'm trying to think how I could show it here because I don't know if I could share my phone, but we have 2 different mobile apps. And it's kind of important. Hang on. Dang. Trying to get the second mobile app to show them, because we do have the mobile app, which is right here for members when they sign up, and it shows them how to pair it with their phone, and that's where you get the push notifications and the real-time alerts. But you also get our simulator app, which will literally put level 2 watch list notifications for your own trades, everything directly on your phone. So yeah.
Yeah, dude. So 82% of our members that have full-time jobs, that's how they do it.
That's how they do it. It's not like a secret. Right?
Yep.
So yeah, there is a tremendous amount of stuff that we offer. In fact, here, hang on. So there are 2 apps that you get. Here's the second one. As a member of True Trading Group, I don't know if you can see it here. Let me zoom in. But you get it for your tablet and your phone.
Sick.
Yeah. So you can set alerts. You can do all of it. It also syncs with your Apple Watch. Check that out.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that. That's cool as hell.
So, look, let me just say this. And then we had, there were obviously some people that are like, oh, like you don't have like agreements with like TradingView and these other companies and so on, right? And like, yeah, you know what? Like, how ballsy would we have to be to come on here and say all this and not be able to back it up?
I don't even know how that would be possible.
People do it. People scam people all the time. But I'm just saying, like, how utterly ballsy would you have to be?
Yeah.
But that's fine. Like, the thing you'll find out about me real quick is that I keep all my receipts, which is great, right? So hang on one second, please. Hold, please. Here we go. Alrighty. So just to kind of keep everything above board, absolutely, this is our new agreement with TradingView. for to license their platform right here. So we also have their master service agreement to license their platform and be able to provide it to you all. I have the same thing with Quote Media. I have the same thing with ETNA. I have the same thing with Benzinga. When you sign up for True Trading Group, you are getting all of these tools, all of them included for one price. That is what makes us special. That is what makes us different. And I don't feel like we show it enough because we come on here and we talk like a big, it's like a big, like a lot of times it can become like a big infomercial, but like, yo, truthfully,
it's a lot.
It's a lot. And that's why people are doing well. It's not because Mike's the greatest trader in the world, right? He took a loss on a firm yesterday, right? He could have, I think, did you split your loss? Did you split your loss in four?
And while you're busting my balls about that trade, I was right the whole time.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, well, leave me alone from now on. I was right the whole time.
It's fine. The point that I'm trying to make is that it's not just because of that, right? It's because of what you get access to here. So that is why. Anyways, Mitch, I wish you the best in your trading journey. I'm sure you'll make some scammer very happy. And that's it. That's all I got to say about that. So Mike, please continue. Show them what else they get.
I mean, I don't have anything else to show them.
Oh, well, like tell them how to sign up and all that
You
stuff.
showed them everything.
No, I'm good. Just, guy rubbed me the wrong way.
So guys, you can go to TTG. Anyone that's interested, you can go to ttgoffer.com. Every single thing you see on that page is included. Our holiday sale has begun. It's been running this month. The coupon code for you to use is TTG121. Just click apply code. The price drops down to $10.79 for the whole year. That's 51% off the $22.12 that you see on the page. You have to manually type in that coupon code, TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops to $10.79. Check out, and you guys are then good to go. Every single thing you see on that page is included. The courses, simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned, the training that I received working at the fund in New York, right? You got the Benzinga Pro newsfeed, the, 2 private study group sessions to speed up your learning curve, the trading views charts, a trade idea scanner, the simulator, a trading journal, social sentiment scanners, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, social sentiment scanners, analyst ratings, and all this stuff, all the AI trading assistants that Adam showed you, all of it is included when you guys join the annual for $10.79. That's it for the whole year. And we offer a double your money back guarantee, guys. I don't think you need it considering our refund rate at True Trading Group. It's less than 2.5%. But we do offer a double your money back guarantee when you guys join. This is how it works. It is right there on our checkout page. Yes, it is real. I highly suggest that you go read it. This is how it works. You join True Trading Group now, you pay $10.79. You have all year to accomplish the following. You don't have to do this all in 30 days. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. If you do those things and you are still unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $1,079 membership fee for the year, if you are unable to do that, you can't make the $10.79 back at least once, we'll give you back double your money. $2,158 will go right back to you for wasting your time. Well, I can do that because, again, our refund rate's less than 2.5%, and we have a 78% retention rate. We keep 78% of the members that come through True Trading Group. Why do you think that is? It's because they're having success. It's because they're becoming better traders. It's because they're making money. That's why we have a 78% retention rate. That's why I can offer you double your money back without blinking an eye. Now, if our refund rate was like 12%, then I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back now, would I? We'd go out of business. And with the holiday sale, you guys do get a free laptop with your membership, but we only have 5 of them. All right, these have been going like hotcakes. Everybody wants a free laptop. It's the holiday. Some people are gifting them away to people. for a holiday gift, a last minute shopping or whatever it is, or you can just sell it on eBay and put the money back in your trading account or your credit card bill or whatever. You can trade with the laptop, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, whatever. It's our gift when you guys join True Trading Group. It's going to be an Asus Windows 11 laptop. It has Microsoft 365 on it. You guys can use that and get it totally for free, but they are first come, first serve. You'll know you're getting one if you see it in your checkout cart. After 5 transactions are completed, you'll no longer see the laptop inside your checkout cart. You don't have to enter your address to get the laptop. You're going to get a welcome email after you join with instructions how to claim it. And that TradingView agreement is not just to embed charts on a website. That is their whole trading platform API that TTG can use to develop simulators, apps, etc. That is absolutely true. Damn, someone was listening to Adam's presentation the other day. That is definitely true. So there are 5 laptops available, guys. All you got to do is go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Okay, TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to that $10.79 checkout, and you guys are good to go. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to send a text message to 1-888-306-8783. Again, that is 1-888-306-8783. If you guys have any questions at all whatsoever, or you're having a hard time signing up, go ahead, send us a text. Otherwise, you can head right to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121 for the holiday sale, 51% off. That includes a brand new free laptop and a double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need the double your money back guarantee, but it's there for peace of mind. You guys, listen, these things that you guys get with your membership, we spent years building relationships with these companies like TradingView to put their products on our platform, like Benzinga, right? If you were to go to these companies directly, these tools would probably cost you around $6,000 for the year, all of them. Like Benzinga Pro's newsfeed with the congressional trading data and insider trading info, just that alone is over $1,000 if you go directly to Benzinga. TradingView's charts, the premium charting software, that's about $600 a year. So just right there, you're at like $1,700, $1,800. That's not even half of what you get when you join our platform. Again, this is why we were nominated and a finalist for the best data analysis tool at the Benzinga FinTech Awards. That's why. All right. So that's it, folks. All right. Go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. All right. If you have any questions, you just text us 1-888-306-8783. All right. So you guys have it. Anybody have any questions about any of our people that were typing TTG before? Does anybody have any questions about the platform? Any questions about the membership or anything? You just text that number. I'll get back on over to charts now, and we'll kind of talk about what I think with regards to the overall markets. We did have another triple-digit gain today, which marks 70, if I'm not mistaken, in Q4. So we are running on what has been an absolutely ridiculous hot streak in True Trading Group. It's actually a record-setting streak for us. In the month of October, we broke a record for us as a group of the most triple-digit gains that were traded and alerted inside of the community. That was 20. Again, remember, there's 9 professional traders, right? So as a group, 20 of the trades that we alerted were triple-digit gains in October. We then broke that record in November with 28. Now we sit here today on December 20th with 22 in the month of December, which takes us to 70 on the quarter. And we still got about a week and a half of trading left to go. Can we hit 6 more triple-digit gains to tie November's record? It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. It's going to be close. But we've got Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You got 6 trading days left, I think, if I'm doing that correctly. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 trading days left. 6 trading days left. Can we hit one triple-digit gain per day for the next 6 days to tie November's record of 28. Or better, can we hit 7 to break November's record? I don't know. Listen, I don't care if we break it. It's been one hell of, 20 in October, 28 in November, and now we have 22 in December. It's just been an unbelievable streak. The moderators are firing on all cylinders. Never been a better time to be a member of True Trading Group. So congratulations, all of our members that are. With regards to the overall markets, guys, listen, you made new all-time highs on the Qs. You made new all-time highs on the Dow, but you did not make new all-time highs on the SPY. And I told you last week that I don't think you're going to make new all-time highs on the SPY this year. That I felt like we would consolidate inside of this trading range. And that's exactly what we have seen. Right. We talked about this in the beginning of the stream. We've just been kind of trading sideways here, just kind of bouncing around up and down, up and down. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if you just had a very small green day tomorrow. Like I said, this is a support level. If this support level breaks 467.5, if that level breaks, then you're talking about your next really key support level, major one, is going to be around 460. Okay. You'll be around 460 if you are going to break that level. Otherwise, if this area holds, then in my opinion, I just think you stay inside of this trading range for the next couple of trading days. And you have some individual stocks that are making some really fantastic moves that have been really hitting for us in a big way. And I mean, you can't talk about stocks right now without talking about what's been going on in the crypto space with Coinbase has just made an unbelievable move this year. This stock started this year down around $35. It is now at $162. Bitcoin, obviously, pushing into the mid 40s, mid 40,000s. And then you sit here and you see, Mara with the big short squeeze. That's got like 30% of the float is short, something like that. And you're just getting really great moves on a lot of these individual names. So there's a lot of opportunities out there, guys. Okay. There's a lot of opportunities out there. I would look for Mara. Watch for Mara pullbacks into 19.5, $20. That was a big level of resistance. There's a big short position on Mara. It was actually just upgraded today, which makes just, I feel like that analyst is super late. But if Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin pushes through 45. If it pushes through 45, this stock squeezes. In my opinion, this stock squeezes if it pushes through 45. I think you're probably going to have short sellers step in on this name now, not because anticipating Bitcoin to pull back off of 45. But if Bitcoin breaks 45K, I think you should be long Mara. And I'll probably be long Mara because with that short position that's on there, that thing could start to squeeze out. And you don't really have that much resistance until you get all the way up into like $30. Now, it's going to take Bitcoin to continue to move higher in order for Mara to do that. It's not going to do that if Bitcoin doesn't break above 45 and run. So if you get Bitcoin drops back to like 40 or 39, then forget about it. Mara's not going to make that move. You're really going to need you're really going to need that catalyst. But I think it's worth just kind of keeping on your screen. Like today was the heaviest volume that this stock has traded. You got to go back all the way to 2021. The last time that you got 118 million shares traded on this thing. So that's a long time to, that kind of volume that you got today. You haven't seen that volume in years. So a lot of attention here. And I think it deserves your attention, especially if Bitcoin continues to move. All right. Let's see what else. Anybody have any questions for me specifically? Anybody have any questions for me about anything in particular? What do I think about a short on Okta. We should get a, let me see. I like where your head's at. For me, I would just love this to get a little bit higher to feel better. I love for this to just get a little bit higher. I mean, you're looking at this big resistance level here on Okta, and it's the gap fill. So you had that big earnings gap down in September, right? Big earnings gap down there in September, and then you'll see this huge, and then it just became resistance, right? It's been there now ever since September of 2022, not September of this year. But I think you got to get, like, I'd feel way more comfortable being short here than being short here, because you can easily get stopped out and this trade still be intact if you enter the trade too soon. So I like the idea. I personally would just like to get it a little bit higher. We have to welcome Jeff. Guys, welcome Jeff. Jeff is the newest member of the group. Jeff is coming back. So Jeff is coming back to the family. So Jeff used to be a member, and now he is coming back. Guys, welcome Jeff back home. Home is where the heart is, Jeff. Home is where the profits are. That is True Trading Group. So Jeff, welcome back. But that means we only have 4 of the laptops, guys. Remember, the laptop's part of the holiday sale. You guys are going to be getting a brand new free laptop as part of your membership. There's 4 of them left. You see one in your checkout cart, you're getting one. Just go to ttgoffer.com, type in the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. Price drops down to the $10.79. Check out, and you're good to go. Be on the lookout for the welcome email. There's going to be instructions in there how to claim the free laptop. All right, so Jeff, welcome back to the family. I see some people asking me about Nike. Let's take a look over at Nike. Nike, listen, you got to wait for Nike. Nike, I'm pretty sure Nike has earnings. Wait, what's today? I think they have earnings tomorrow. If I'm not mistaken, do they? They have earnings tomorrow? Anybody know? Anybody give me? Anyone can confirm that? But I'm pretty sure Nike has earnings coming up, if I'm not mistaken. But I think you've got to wait. I think you got to wait for their earnings. I'm pretty sure they have earnings tomorrow. I don't have it in front of me. Oh, yes. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it is tomorrow. All right. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I thought so. You have earnings tomorrow. I mean, you got to wait. I mean, there's no point in getting yourself into a position, before they've got earnings coming out. So, Nike, I just wouldn't do anything. I'll just wait until your earnings comes out. You have big resistance up here at 130. On gap ups to 130, I think you probably pull back off of it, unless the earnings are so incredibly good that you gap above it, which I don't expect. So I really don't, have much to say there on Nike, aside from just, kind of wait it out and see what happens with earnings. If there is a pullback into the low teens, I think that's a buy zone for you. You take a look here. I want to show you what I'm seeing here on Nike, and it's an inverted head and shoulders, where there's your left shoulder, there's your head, and then there's your right shoulder, here's your left shoulder, here's your head, there's your neckline. You cleared that neckline out, and then now here comes a golden cross, which is your 50-day about to cross over the 200-day moving average. And if that occurs, then this is going to create, in my opinion, this will create a support level in here. So if you were to get, let's say, a drop maybe on earnings, it drops, then I think that's actually a pretty decent buy zone, because I think that you can bounce off of there. I think that's a nice area where the stock could find some support. On the flip side of that, I think that this is a nice enough of a resistance level that the exact opposite, where if you get maybe a little bit of a move higher on earnings and you get like a gap up to like 127, then in that case, I actually think that you might get a little bit of a pullback off of that level and eventually just finish out kind of basically right where the stock is currently at. You fast forward a week from now, I think you're going to be right back around this 120 range. But I don't know what the earnings are going to be. If the earnings are incredible, then that's not going to be the case. If the earnings are horrible, then that's not going to be the case. I'm just giving you based on what I see on the chart, but based on the charts, I've got to factor in fundamentals and news. I mean, the fundamental news catalysts and earnings, because fundamental news catalysts like an earnings report can break down technicals. So you got to factor that into your analysis, and we will do that after they report earnings. Yep, Andre, I'm with you on that one. Is a firm too far down to short now? Nah, I think you can short it still. I still think you can short it. I think you can short maybe against 49, 48, 49. I think you can probably short against 48, 49. I think you can short against 48, 49, and I would look for this pattern to round itself out. So you see how you have like this up move, right? See, and you see how it's starting to round off, and then you get the overshoot. Now what I think you're going to see is I think you're going to see now the pattern work itself out back the other way. I think you're going to round it out. Right? I think you're going to round this out. Not this severely, like literally see how it's like it was like a nice steady crawl higher, then you overshoot it, and then you get, I think then now you get a nice, so this is a nice reversal candle that was put in place today. Okay, that's a bearish engulfing candle on the daily, right into a massive level of resistance, which was this 50 zone that I've been telling you guys about on the live stream for the last couple of days or about a week or so. And that's a bearish engulfing candle. I think you can be short against that level. Any bounce back, 48 to 49, be short against that. And then you can look for follow through to the downside. Right? And I think that eventually I think you're going to get a firm back in here. I think a firm's going to go back to like 38 to $40. It's going to take some time. Right? It's going to take some time, but I think that you're going to, I think you're going to see a pullback in, the next week or two. Guys, how many people are still here that are not members? Just type TTG, please, if you guys are not a member. If you're not a member and you're still here, I want to see who's still on the live stream with me that's not a member of True Trading Group. Just go ahead, guys. Type TTG, please. For those of you that are not members, just want to see who we have on here that's still not part of the community. Just type TTG. Wadad, Mitch, Paul. There you are, Mitch. Armand, how are you? Dennis, what's up? You told my guy 900 or nothing, huh? Well, I guess nothing. Mitch, if you don't see the value in the platform, then maybe True Trading Group's not for you. Go ahead, Adam.
That's awesome. Do you hear an echo?
I do not.
Got it. Mitch, no, I appreciate you sending me your, I appreciate you sending us the message about your interest in joining. It's fantastic. Thank you for sending us your email. We were able to successfully block you from joining. And as far as your price point of 900 or nothing, I could make an argument as to why it's worth 10 times more or whatever. But what I'm going to do is this, right? Here's what I'm going to do. How many of you here are not members that want a cheaper price than what Mitch wanted? Anyone? No, not everyone at once, but oh, there's Tony. Well, let's see. Is Mitch the equivalent to a Karen? So, well, what I'm going to do is this. If you want a cheaper price, go ahead and send me a text message, right? 888-306-8783. 888-306-8783. Send me a text message, and I'm going to hook you up better than Mitch requested for the next 3 people. All right? Mitch, we appreciate you coming on our live stream. And that's it. All right? To my TTG members, we're going to do a cash giveaway after this. So, Joe, put the number on the screen.
Christmas came early, guys. For the next 3 people, text that number 1-888-306.
Well, how many laptops do we have left? I'll do it for how many laptops we have. We have 4, so 4 people. The next 4 people.
So 4 people. The next 4 people. If you guys want a cheaper price, thanks, Mitch. 1-888-306-8783. Text that number now. And then members, you guys can head into the main chat with Adam for some more giveaways.
And that's about it. That's all I got to say about that.
Yep. So, guys, just go ahead. Just text 1-888-306-8783.
Thank you kindly.
All right, folks. Well, that's it. I guess that wraps it. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream and the fun that we had in the beginning. We kind of were joking with some sarcasm and playing around there early with the massive crash incoming and the world is ending and all of that. We were just joking in case you haven't figured that out by now. If you guys are interested, like we said, just send a text message right now. It is first come, first serve. 1-888-306-8783. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. Again, members, you guys can head into the chat for giveaways with Adam. If you have not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. I will see you all mañana. See you guys later. Have a great night, folks. Take care.